Once again, welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easier and better way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture, we have learned what are matrices, their types of matrices, multiplication, addition, subtraction of matrices, and we have learned how to form matrices of different order. Students, today we will learn to find out the values of variable of equal matrices. All these things we will practice with a few example. Students, let us see over here. In very first question, two matrices are given with the same order. Same order, if the matrix is having same order and all the corresponding elements are comparable, then those matrices are equal matrix. Here students, you can see that here is 2 rows and 2 column. In this matrix, 2 rows and 2 column. It means, students, these two matrices can be compared. What we have to find over here? We want to find out x and y. It means, students, in equal matrices, the corresponding elements are comparable. So here you can see that x plus 3 can be compared by 5 and y plus 4 can be compared by 3. So here students, you can see that x plus 3, y minus 4, x plus y, right students? And the equal matrices are having element 5, 3 and 4, 9, right students? Now corresponding elements can be compared. So here you can see that x plus 3 is equal to 5, right? So here what we are getting, x is equal to 5 minus 3, x is equal to 2. In similar way, students, you can compare y minus 4 with 3, right? So y minus 4 is equal to 3. Similarly, y is equal to 3 plus 4. So y is equal to 7. Right students? Now in the next question, for the equal matrix, the matrices are 2x minus y is equal to 3, 5y. This matrix is equal to 6, 3, 5 minus 2, right students? Now you can compare the corresponding elements. First of all, y can be compared with the 2, means value of y is 2. Similarly student, here you can see that 2x minus y can be compared with 6. Here you know the value of y. What is the value of y, student? 2. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 6 and 2x is equal to 6 plus 2, right? 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 by 2. So the value of x is 4, right students? Now moving to the next question. Here the matrices are what? xy 4, z plus 6, x plus y, right? And the equal matrix 8, 0, w 6 are the elements of other matrix, right students? Now here you can compare x into y is equal to 8, right? So x into y is equal to 8. So you can eliminate x over here. So x is equal to 8 by y, right? Similarly, x plus y can be compared with 6, right? So x plus y is equal to 6. So what is the value of x over here? The value of x is 8 upon y plus y is equal to 6. So 8 plus y square by y is equal to 6. So 8 plus y square is equal to 6y, right students? So here we are getting quadratic equation like y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now you will have to split the middle term. Here you can see that the coefficient of y square is 1, so y into 8. 8, you required what, students? Minus 6. So 4 2s are 8, minus 4 and minus 2, so minus 6. So y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So y is common over here. So y minus 4 minus 2 is common. So y minus 4 is equal to 0. Right, students? From here you can get y minus 4 is equal to 0 and y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Right, students? Similarly, you can compare 4 with w. So w is equal to 4. Right? Here we have got the value of y, we got the value of w. What we required? Z and x. Right, students? Okay. Similarly, z plus 6 can be compared with the 0. Z plus 6 is equal to 0. So z is equal to 0 minus 6. Z is equal to minus 6. Right? And finally we want remaining variable is what? X. So you can put the value of y is 4 and y is 2 to get the value of x. Right? So very first putting y is equal to 4. So what will the value of x? 8 by y. So 8 by 4. You are getting, student, 2. Similarly, the second value of y is what? 2. Right? So you can find other value of x. 8 by y means 8 divided by 2. You are getting 4. Okay, students, I hope you have understood this video lessons. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching Ravi Sirji Maths.